see me go. So I mash on their ass like ghosts. Smoke on my motherfucking drove. Get high in the bitch, nigga, that's how it go. Ain't no fucking with us, and coming through this hole, ain't no time for rushing. Cause a concussion, young nigga bustin'. Hopping out the car, so much frustration. Hold up, niggas is hating. Got my motherfucking patience in life is taking. Every day, every minute, every fucking hour. Bullets coming down like money in a club in the shower. Or rain, what's my name? Mr. 4 Live trying to run this game. A whole lot of bitches wanna give me brains. Just a whole lot of niggas wanna know my name. The law wanna know if I got out the game. I'm throwed in this bitch, fly like a plane. Yeah, and that's the whole damn truth. What the fuck you wanna do? I hop out the hoop with the Glock in my hand, ready to get a block of shoot. Let these niggas know I'm polishing up my tooth on my teeth. Them hoes gold, I mash mode, mash past you hoes, smoking on dro, doing what I wanna. This how I feel. Man, hold up, a lot of niggas got killed. A lot of didn't learn, a lot of lose lessons. Man, hold up, gotta pack my weapon. Pack my weapon, that's my motherfucking squad. Praying hard to the Lord, you don't wanna go to war. Got something that'll take you, something that'll take you. Man, hold up, off the Richter with the Quaker. I bake you at 400. Get you out the oven and your partner start running. I'm gunning, niggas got me wrong. Man, I'm not off like my golf, I'm on. For real, that's the deal. Niggas want me to polish up my skills, bitch. I'm wrecking. What's the discussion? I ain't tripping, I ain't hesitating. Steady waiting. Why these motherfuckers contemplating? Catch me in the kitchen with the 8 straight bacon. Doing just how I feel. Talk a lot of shit, but bitch, I pop pills and get throwed on you hoes. Lean to the left, I might lean to the right. Them hoes say I'm out of sight. Yeah, I might be out of sight, but every time I'm hop on the mic, I'm out of. Bitch, I'm alright, and I'm alright, and you all wrong, and you better go. You don't really wanna catch a nigga off in the zone. Fuck around and see your bitch ass back home. Try to do the shit again. I'm not in it to lose, I'm in it to win. I gotta get it, because I gotta have it. It's hopping like a rabbit, it's a motherfucking habit, so I'm at it. I'm getting it how I wanna. These niggas on the corner steady smoking marijuana. I'm steady on the block with the motherfucking blocks, with the motherfucking flames, and it's spinning guap. You know I'm talking about, and shit don't stop. The beatbox dead on the track, and I'm hot. I'm fly than the motherfucker, fly as I can be. Yeah, fly as a beat. I sting you dead in your niggas, sting you dead in your eye. With the Glock, red dot on your flow. Niggas talk a lot of shit, but steady busting that froze. Niggas do not know. Man, my eyes are closed. I'm making bad in this bitch, nigga. You won't know nothing about this. Won't act no bitch. And when I go to jail, bitch, I will not slip. I'ma do my dirt, do it all alone. So the next nigga can't be talking all on the phone. About some shit I said I was gonna do that never went through. Talk a whole lot of shit you wanna tell this whole crew, but the shit didn't matter. I'm not an actor, I'm a carpenter. Climbing up the ladder, ain't these niggas is mad they after. Young nigga trying to get the hoe to my figures, my motherfucking figures, because they bigger. A whole lot of niggas don't know my trigger bigger too. What the fuck is up with you? I do read the whole fucking block of niggas. I'm a super